In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 585 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 5. We know that 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Subtract, we get 0. As 0 is less than 5, that is why we need to bring down this adjacent 8 here. Now see that this is the number 8. So we will remove this 0. And we know that 5 times 1 is 5. Subtract, we get 3. Now again this 3 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this adjacent 5 here. And we know that 5 times 7 is 35. Subtract, we get 0. Now see that we have no number to bring down here. And we have got the number 0. So we will stop. Therefore, 585 divided by 5 is equal to 117. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.